Welcome to week 2 of Physical Geology. This week, we're going to transition from rocks and minerals, which are the foundation of geology, into surface processes. For this week, there are 3 modules to complete and exam 2. Each of the modules has multiple topics, but they're grouped together so the assignments remain the same. Remember, for each module, you have a lesson and skeletal notes that you can complete to prepare for the graded quiz, which is multiple choice questions with 2 attempts and a time limit. You also have pre-lab videos that help prepare you for completing the lab and doing the post-lab. Most importantly for this week is that, in particular, the first lab, topographic maps, is significantly longer both in the pre-lab videos and in the lab activities themselves. And the other labs in this week are longer than what you saw last week. You also have a case study to complete each week where you make an infographic, post it to the discussion, and make a substantive reply to a classmate. So for each module, there's a quiz, a case study, and a post-lab as the graded assignment. Meaning this week there are 3 quizzes, 3 case studies, and 3 post-labs to complete, as well as exam 2, which is a 50-question multiple choice question exam covering the topics of this week, so not rocks and minerals, but mass wasting, coasts and glaciers, and streams and groundwater, that has a time limit that you must also complete by the end of the day, Sunday. Also, remember next week, we finish the class on Friday. So this week, everything's due on Sunday. Next week, for part 3, everything is due on Friday. And next week you have topics to complete with modules as well as exam 3 and the final exam. So if you want to work ahead, I strongly suggest doing so because you have an additional exam next week compared to this week, and it's shorter with that due date on Friday. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help.